I dedicate this video to my wonderful friend Khalifa, and today we're going to be making a non-newtonian fluid called oobleck. So I'm going to put some corn flour in a bowl. This is roughly 2 cups, and I'm just going to pour a little bit of water in, just a little bit, and then stir it. And just do that process over and over again. And make sure to do one little bit of water at a time. It'll get to a point where it just looks like this white liquid. And I'll show you how it's a non-newtonian fluid. As you can see, I just let it flow and it goes through my fingers and behaves like a liquid. But as soon as I apply sudden force and roll it, just behaves like a solid. And then, when I let it go, it flows through my fingers. So as you can see, I can just break this up and it's a solid now. And when I let it go, it just flows to the table. And so when I can just group it up, the particles all bond together tightly and make it kind of act like a solid. And so I can just squeeze it and roll it, and there's a ball. And there's a ball, and it just flows when I let it go. Here's a fun fact. Some bullets get stuck in oobleck. It's solid and a liquid. It's oobleck. So this is a really easy and fun experiment to do. If you like my video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. I'd also appreciate it if you could share it with friends and family.